Sorry, that's my parrot. He's trying to come and join me with my cooking. If you have a parrot, don't let him have chocolate. So I'll have to be careful because I have chocolate everywhere. So first, I'm going to put in my chocolate mix into the bowl. Alex, here, destroy this if you want. And I'm going to open this. Actually, I'm going to use scissors. And that's my parrot flying. I love it. And here's my parrot again. He likes cooking because he always thinks he's going to get food. Where he doesn't always. Hey, Alex, don't be a trouble bird.